In this video, I will show you how to convert a Facebook account to Facebook page. If you find the video helpful, please like the video. Let's get started. Open your Facebook app and log in to your account. Tap on your profile picture. If you see friends here, that means your account is not a page yet. Let's convert it to a page. Tap this three dots icon. Scroll down a little and tap Turn on Professional Mode. Tap Turn On and you will be taken to a professional dashboard. Your Facebook account is now a Facebook page. Go back to the home page. You will see your friends have become your followers now. That means the conversion is done perfectly. That's it. I hope the video helped you. Please like the video. Thank you.